Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to permanently delete your Twitter account. I'll show you on a computer, on a browser, on twitter.com first, and then I'll show you how to do the same exact thing on the mobile app. So go to twitter.com to log into your account and obviously use your phone number, email, or username and password. If for some reason you forgot your password on that account that you want to delete, make sure you put in your username or phone and then do forgot password. So let me go ahead and log into that account. This is a duplicate account I just made, so I want to delete it. So you go to your profile and settings icon right here. Go ahead and click that. And here you should see settings and privacy. Click that next. And that will bring you to this page here where you should see your username and email. And on the very bottom of the page, you see your Twitter archive. You could actually request your entire Twitter history here by pressing that, and that will be sent to your email. Once you do that, your Twitter will be backed up and you could deactivate your account. If you don't see this option down here, it's probably because your account is suspended and you have to go through revoking the suspension process. I have a different account that was suspended and this was just not available. So I have to contact Twitter and appeal the suspension, but otherwise you should see this icon. Go ahead and press it. And here it will let you know that you have 30 days after the deactivation before you get it permanently deleted to change your mind, and a little bit more information if you want to read here, and then press deactivate on the bottom of the page here. And once again, it's gonna ask for your password. So I'm gonna type in my password one more time and press deactivate account. And just like that, my account has been deactivated, and after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So on the Twitter app here, I'm on a different account here on my home page of Twitter, and to deactivate and delete your account here, what you want to do is on the top, press your profile icon, and then again, go to settings and privacy. Same thing as on a computer. Go to settings and privacy here. And on here, you should have an account option on top. Press account. And then that will show you this page where on the bottom of the page, you could press deactivate your account. And then that will bring you this page where you could just press deactivate on the bottom of that page, and that will deactivate your Twitter account the same exact way as on a computer. So it's that simple to delete your Twitter account. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for daily tech and social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.